Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best headlight restoration kits on the market, the Meguiar's Heavy-Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. If you're like me and your car's headlights have seen better days, stick around because this kit promises to bring them back to life. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this kit from Meguiar's stands out. It's designed to tackle those cloudy, yellowed headlights that not only look bad but can also affect your visibility on the road. Meguiar's is known for their high-quality automotive care products, and this kit is no exception. Let's dive into how you can use this kit. First, gather everything included: the polishing pads, sanding discs, and Meguiar's unique cleaning solutions. Start by sanding the headlights with the included discs, then switch to the polishing pads attached to a drill for that glossy finish. It's a straightforward process but yields impressive results. Now, you might be wondering how this kit stacks up against competitors. Well, Meguiar's heavy-duty kit not only cleans but also protects with its advanced coating technology. Some other kits might clean well initially but lack the long-term protection Meguiar's offers. Wrapping it up, if you're looking to restore your headlights without breaking the bank and want them to stay clear for the long haul, Meguiar's Heavy-Duty Headlight Restoration Kit is definitely worth considering. It's straightforward to use, provides professional-grade results, and offers that crucial long-term protection. That's all for today's review on the Meguiar's Heavy-Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.